my channel. It's your girl again. I'm so happy I'm watching myself, guys. Could this be your baby girl? Wow, I'm so proud of myself, guys. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I'm very proud. I said thank you to my subscribers. You people are the main MVPs. So today I want to make jollof rice. I've not done cooking vlog before. I don't know how it's going to look like, but I pray it comes out well. So I want to start now. You should watch out how Pesco makes her jollof rice. I'm very good at jollof rice. I don't like jollof rice, but whenever I make jollof rice, the taste is always something else. Like the taste is so I'm going to make a very delicious jollof rice today. So you guys should follow me and watch me as I make jollof rice. My MVPs, don't worry. You people are the chairman. You people are the cheerleaders and chairman of this my jollof rice. Don't worry, I'm going to serve you special jollof rice. I'll be using corned beef, shrimps. I've not used shrimps in my rice before, so I'm going to try it today. Hopefully it comes out. So I'll be using shrimps. I'll be using what again? Hold on, let me pause this stuff. Think it's making. This is much more better. It's not easy to set camera. So guys, welcome. So these are all I'm going to be using for my jollof rice. This is my beef. It was frozen, so I defrosted it. I'm going to wash it again. This is the third time I'm watching, so I'm going to wash it again. My onion, this white onion and the red onion. My bell peppers. My groundnut oil. My long pepper, my normal, lantern pepper. This one is extremely spicy, so I'm not going to put everything. I'm going to put like 2 or 3. But you guys will follow me and see how I'm going to prep it. My tomatoes. This is my kitchen glue. My shallots, dried onion. This is my mevina, but I won't put everything. This is my granulated onions. This sea salt. Hope you guys can see it. Sea salt. This salt is very nice. My thyme, fresh leaf thyme. Cinnamon basil. The aroma is so nice. This is just like the Nigerian cinnamon basil. My fresh rosemary leaves. I don't think I'm going to use this because I don't know what's this, but I'll just open it and perceive it. If the aroma is nice, I'll use it. If it's not nice, I'll keep it. My ginger and garlic. Guys, what is rice without ginger and garlic? In fact, what is jollof rice without ginger and garlic? This is my best spice. Just that I'm adding all these foreign leaves. I don't think this one, just use it for a few, just pinch of them to steam my meat. But this one, this is my best spice. My stew, this is the only spice I use for my stew. Garlic and ginger. My stew will be bing bing. That's the only spice I love. And what is jollof? Oh, how will I cook without ginger and garlic? This is my best spice. To a point that I start liking to eat garlic. Chew garlic. And the very medicinal properties of this garlic and this spice, this natural spice, cannot be overemphasized. This thing normally help me whenever I have cough, cold, catarrh. During that piece you're talking too much. This is a cooking vlog. Stop talking and make your video. Sorry guys. So that's all. And this is a blender I'm using. I have a lot to tell you about this blender. It took me, before I know how to fix this blender. This blender, I kept whining it and whining it and whining it and whining it. Tell me that I did not wind up something out of it too. So I watched online, I saw how they did it done. That was how I was able to do this blender. That's why I say don't, you see, online has helped too. It has not helped anybody, it has helped me in person. That's what I'm using to blend my tomatoes and onion. I'm going to blend tomato and onion, small onion, to make it, to increase the aroma of my meat. So guys, let me prep it. Corned beef. Inspiration date. Okay, this is my corned beef. So pretty much. guys, I was so tired I couldn't continue vlogging. So this is the level I am in the food now. I covered it with this foil paper. Finally! So guys, I'm finally done. So remaining to clean the kitchen. I'm done with the dishes, but I want to make zobo. I want to make the zobo. So I don't know if you guys can, if I'll carry you guys along to make it the zobo, because it's not even easy carrying you guys along cooking this rice. It wasn't easy for me to carry you guys along cooking this rice. So now I want to make zobo. I'll just show you with the clips of the zobo. I only use pineapple and that's all. Then whenever I want to take it, you want to add honey or that will be all for now. Look at it.